Welcome to Infoveave. Here is a quick video on how to create an Infoboard using raw data. To start, go to the Insights menu and click Create Infoboard. Next, select a template from the list of templates organized by domain and function. Click the blank template and select the Designer Layout option. Select Use Raw Data as your source and assign a name to your source. Copy and paste your raw data directly from Excel into the editor. Click View Table to convert the data into a table. Once verified, click Save to link your data with the Infoboard. Next, let us add a widget to the Infoboard. Drag, drop, or double-click the desired widget from the component panel. Under Configuration, select the source, measures, and dimensions for your widget. To format the measure, click on the Format icon. You can rename the measure, add a suffix or prefix, select the format, set the precision, and choose the aggregation type as required. Next, under Customization, click General and select Background Color to add a widget background. Follow the same steps to customize other options on your widgets. Thank you for watching.